Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. I'm happy to help you create a Python script to reboot a Windows XP 64-bit machine. However, please note that Windows XP is an outdated and unsupported operating system, and using it can pose security risks. It's highly recommended to upgrade to a more modern and secure version of Windows. That said, if you still need to reboot a Windows XP 64-bit machine using Python, you can use the OS module to execute the necessary command. Here's a step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Import the OS module. Open your Python script and start by importing the OS module. This module allows you to interact with the operating system. Step 2. Create a function to reboot the machine. Next, you can define a function that will execute the reboot command. In this case, we'll use the shutdown command with the /r option to reboot the computer. You can use the subprocess module to execute this command. In this script. Step 3, run the script. Save your Python script with a .py extension, for example, reboot_windows.py, and run it using a Python interpreter. The script will execute the shutdown command, and your Windows XP 64-bit machine will restart. Again, please consider upgrading to a more modern and supported operating system for better security and stability. Windows XP is no longer recommended for use due to its lack of security updates and vulnerabilities. ChatGPT